Assalamu alaikum. All GSM friend. Today's subject new mobile. At first, new mobile Walton and NEXG N72 flash file 100% update firmware okay. Now you see download and email and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Next, Infinix X6731B flash file 100% working. And tested firmware, any problem version. Now we see this Infinix mobile, the version no same, just mobile not working. But all mobile, Samsung, any models, Infinix, dead mode, fastboot mode, any solution, email and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Now we see same Infinix X6731B, okay, and A896AABC and version V1200. Just version, just flashing now. Just flashing 24-hour service. Email and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Next, Oppo A95 CPI is 2365 MDM SIM network unlock. Scatter file 100% working. This now we see download and email and WhatsApp now 24-hour service. All the same friend, my request, my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share, and video no skip. All videos done. Now you see description no link and comment box check now your any file link and very confused. YouTube rules is a no link, just your net link. Email and WhatsApp are now any emergency known, any emergency or file any model link, just browser open, just Google now and write the Borsha mobile BOR. Now see Borsha mobile, one click. Okay, just click now. Wait and see many file and very confused. Your file, your need, just model now. A95, just magic system. Just search blogger or search and right now, just search magic system. Now see, okay, clear and download. Okay, download. Okay, clear. Any model, jao. Any model. Okay. The file download, the paid file, not free, the file 100% working. The promise, email and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Goodbye.